Everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Relive. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will scrolling down until you find this window of Relive app. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Relive. Then here in this window, you can uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and